How to install 1 light Nisoi cylindrical gold pendant. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Slip loop over the wires and thread loop into top of fixture. Attach a quick link to connect to chain and the loop on the top of fixture. Attach the single bar to outlet box with mounting screws. Remove the threaded ring from collar loop, pass chain through collar ring and through canopy. Attach a quick link to connect to the collar loop and end of chain. Pass the wires through collar loop to the top of the pre-assembled threaded nipple and gently pull till snug. Twist plastic wire connector until wires are tightly joined. Wrap each connector with approved electrical tape. Be sure that no wire strands are exposed and tuck all wires into the outlet box. Raise canopy to ceiling and secure it by tightening threaded ring onto collar loop. Install the bulb. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.